Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I am Muhammad.
And she is
Haneen.
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
In the last video, we made flaxseed tortilla.
Today we are making a berry Chantilly cake.
This cake is perfect for all occasions, such as
birthdays, anniversaries, and even graduations.
We will show you how to make flat cakes
without a dome on top and are not hard and dark on the outside.
Before we begin, make sure to wash hands or wear gloves, and make sure to subscribe, like, and share.
And hit that notification bell to get notified when we upload. This week's shoutouts go to...
If you would like a shout out in our next video, be sure to comment down below your name and what recipes you would like us to make.
I love berry Chantilly cake. I am so happy that we're finally making a healthier version of it, and I'm sure you would love it too. Don't forget to have all the kids helping in the kitchen.
And for the Chantilly cake, we need
3/4 cup of organic, unsalted, grass-fed butter softened at room temperature.
4 eggs.
3/4 cup of organic raw cane sugar.
1/2 cup of organic whole milk.
1.5 cups of organic finely ground almond flour.
1/2 cup of organic coconut flour.
1 tablespoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract.
1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. If you would like, you can add
1/4 teaspoon of lemon extract
and the zest of a lemon.
First, we are going to add the sugar, then the butter to the bowl and whisk for about 4 minutes or until light and fluffy.
Add the eggs one by one, milk, and the vanilla extract. You can add the lemon extract and the lemon zest if you wish.
Don't worry if your mixture does curdle. It will all even out once we add it to the dry ingredients and bake it.
In a separate bowl, sift together the remaining dry ingredients.
Add the liquid mixture to the dry ingredients and mix. Now we are going to spray our pans with organic coconut oil spray. You can use any spray you wish.
Add 1 cup of mixture to each 6-inch pan.
The secret to flat, fluffy, springy cakes are baking strips. Comment down below if you would like us to show you how to use baking strips and the difference with and without them. Trust me, you'll be amazed.
Since baking strips cool the outside, you may need to increase the time by a few minutes. Check to see if the center is springy and the sides start to pull away. And now, bake at 350 for 30 minutes. Take it out of the oven and let it cool down for 5 minutes before removing from the pan. Then let it completely cool down before decorating.
Or all the Chantilly cream will melt and you don't want that to happen. We have the link for this 3-ingredient whipping cream in the description below. It's super tasty. Wow. Check Instagram for this photo. Bismillah.
Berry Chantilly cake, my favorite.
This is so moist, it's not even funny.
It's good.
Sally, do you know that this is made from almond and coconut flour?
So delicious and healthy.
And it's this good.
It's good, Sally.
It is.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing, liking,
And sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle.
and please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you'd like to see in future videos. And as always,
Simple, delicious, and healthy. And she is.
Honey. Savannah, look you.
And she is.
Honey. Savannah, look you.
Sorry.
I know look at me.
And for the Chantilly cake, we need 3/4 cup of organic, unsalted vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract.
A half a tablespoon of vanilla bean powder.
It's a baking soda, plain.
Baking powder.
First, we are going to add the sugar, then the butter to the bowl, and whisk for blah.
Blah.
Don't worry about your batter beating Roberto. Don't worry.
Add 1 cup of mixture to each 6 feet.
The secret to flat, fluffy, stringy. Comment down below if you will.
Oh, that scared me. Then let it completely cool down before decorating.
And let the Chantilly cream melt.
And let it melt.
My favorite.
Ah.